Hello. I'd like to show you a spill guard that I built for the loader bucket on our compact tractor. It was simple to build, it's easy to take off when you don't need it, and it works great. So I'm going to show you how I built it, and then we'll see it in action, and you can decide if this is something that might work for you. But there is one requirement for my design to work for you. You need to have a receiver on the top of your bucket. I started with a piece of 2-inch square tubing about 10 inches long, and I stuffed a piece of closed cell foam in the back just so dirt couldn't fall through. Then I took a piece of 1x8 and I cut it to fit just inside the little lip that protrudes on the side of the bucket. That lets the guard lay nicely against the front of the bucket and it adds support. Then I cut a 2-inch square hole in the center and began to slowly elongate the hole from top to bottom with my jigsaw so that the guard could tip forward. And I was trying for about 45 degrees. Then I took a 3-inch bolt and I installed it from the top so it would protrude out the bottom a little bit. Then I took another 3-inch bolt and I installed that from the bottom so it would protrude out the top, and they secure the guard in that position. After I installed it, I noticed that it had a bit of a wobble from side to side. So I took a piece of scrap and I just made a little lip on each end so that it could catch under the lip of the bucket to give it a little more security. Much better. I got lucky that one of the holes in the square tubing lined up pretty good with the hole in the receiver. If this video can help someone, that would be great. Thanks for watching, and take care.